Over the last 35 years, CESL Asia also provided management and maintenance services for critical infrastructure in Macau. Under the Focus Facilities Management brand, over 300 employees deliver efficient and reliable facility operation and maintenance services for public and private institutions. Key projects include Macau International Airport, leading Macau-based integrated gaming resorts, and solar plants in Portugal. It's also present in district heating operations through its affiliate partner in 3 provincial capital cities in mainland China. In 2021, Focus, a local developer, launched Autus, a value-added, easy-to-use app designed with a focus on performance, continuous improvement and transparency. CESL Asia. How to grow a city.